Welcome to today's video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you the top 3 places to place your affiliate links to drive free targeted traffic to your websites and your offers. Alright, so stick around. We're going to get started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner, and like I said in the intro, I'm going to show you 3 of the top places where you can place your affiliate links to drive targeted traffic, all the targeted traffic that you want to your websites and your affiliate offers. So before we get started into that, if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before or you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do pretty regularly here. Alrighty, great. And also for those that are new to the videos and or my channel, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you out. And once in a while we'll also throw in a motivational video for you, as well as how-to videos as well. Okay? Alright, great. So let's go ahead and get started in on today's video here. I'm going to show you 3 of the top places, which most of you probably know which ones I'm going to choose already, but I'm going to show you there's different ways to place your links on here to drive targeted traffic, free traffic to your websites and offers. Okay? So we're going to come over here and go to the first one we're going to do, of course, you know, is called YouTube. YouTube is probably one of the top 3 places in the world that has the most traffic and the most eyeballs. That's the whole thing. You want to get eyeballs on your offers, right? So let's check with similarweb.com here. If I open this up, you can see that YouTube gets 24.9 billion visitors per month on YouTube alone. That's a lot of traffic, folks, a lot of people. And you can get this tool called SimilarWeb. If you go to similarweb.com, it's a Chrome extension, and then add it up and it'll put a little tool up here. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and it'll show you the amount of visits that any website in the world, including your own, gets per month on a monthly basis. Okay? Alright, so now with YouTube, let's just say, for example, that you can do this in any niche that you're in, any niche market. Let's just say, for example, here we're using the relationship niche market, and you have affiliate products in the relationship market that maybe you got from ClickBank or JVZoo or Max Bounty or any other affiliate network that you have signed up with, and you have affiliate products that you're promoting. Alright, so assuming you're in the relationship niche, if we come over to YouTube here and we type in relationships up here in the search engine, which I've already done, and you scroll down, you can see a lot of these YouTube sites here, or YouTube channels, have lots of members, lots of subscribers. We want to pick one that has a large subscriber base, right? Like here's one with 6.7 million, and if we scroll down, we can see here's one with 2.31 million and 18.3 thousand. Here's one with 7.3 million. So how would you get your link or your affiliate links onto somebody that has a large subscriber base on their YouTube channel? Well, for example, on this one right here where it says Age Gap Relationships, Love Don't Judge, this particular video was posted 1 month ago. Okay, it's had 2.3 million views on it. And so if we click on it, it's by somebody called Barcroft TV. So if we click on it, you can it'll bring us over here, and it brings it up, and we click on their videos. Usually you want to pick on their newest video because it's the one that's still getting traffic. This was posted 1 day ago, and it's got 62,000 views. And you can choose some of these other ones. 2 days ago, it's got 500,000, and so on and so forth down the line here, as you see the days ago that it was posted, their video. Now, So what you would do, for example, if we wanted to use the newest video that this person posted, we know it's still garnering views versus these other ones that already have way up in the hundreds of thousands of views, right? So we'll take the newest one. We click on that video, and it brings it over. We won't. I won't play it. I'll just shut it off here. And what you would do is well, there's what you would do is come down and you'd want to watch the video. But you want to watch the whole video and find out what it's about, what they're talking about, and then you want to come down and you want to add value by posting a comment right here on the video that has something to do with the video, or you can read some of these other comments on this video and garner an idea from that on how to write your comment. So you want to provide value, like thank you for this valuable video. It really helps me out a lot. And then at the end of your value comment, you would post your link to your relationship product, saying something like, I found this product here to be very helpful that sort of relates to what you're talking about in this video, and then post your link there to your affiliate product. And that will certainly drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate offer or your website or landing page, whatever it is that you're using. That's one way. The other way, of course, is to start your own YouTube channel in the relationship niche and provide value with your own videos. Now, I know some of you really don't like to show your face on videos or whatever, but that doesn't matter. You can do it anyway. You can take out your video off of the screen and just let them hear your voice in your videos on your own channel as you make your videos that give value to other people. And of course, then you would post your links. As you can see, this person here, if we click on more, they have an Instagram channel, and you can see that they have their other channels, and you could actually post your affiliate link right in here too, anywhere in your description. Okay, which, by the way, down there in my description on this video, you can see where it says mentorwithkev.com. If you click down there, you'll see my top-rated recommended affiliate marketing business there too that you can get involved in as well with the bonuses I have going with it too. Okay, so yeah, you can do that. Start your own channel, put your affiliate links down below in the description, and or come over to one that has a high amount of traffic, such as this one has 7 million subscribers, and post your comment down in there with your affiliate links, driving traffic back there to your websites and offers on YouTube. So YouTube would be our first one here. Now the next one is going to be Instagram, right? Instagram, I think they're rated up in the top 5 websites in the world. Let's check the traffic on Instagram here. Instagram, as you see up here, gets 3.4 billion monthly visitors. Again, that's an incredible amount of traffic. All right, so and the way you would do it, there's 3 ways that you can drive traffic to your websites or offers here. One of them is going to be a paid way. Let's start with it first. What you can do is you can go to a website called shoutcart.com, and you can look up influencers. If you know, I've already typed in relationships up here in the search engine, and I've got this particular one chosen right here for right now. This person has 25.3 thousand followers. Anybody on Instagram that has over 10,000 followers is considered an influencer. Okay, 10,000 on up into the millions of followers, they're considered influencers. So you could go to shoutcart.com and look up Instagram influencers in the relationship niche that you're in. It doesn't matter. You could be in the wealth niche, make money online niche, or you can be in the any other niche you want to be in. Okay, but I just chose relationships for this example in this video here. So anyways, you would go to shoutcart.com, look up influencers in your niche that have a high amount of followers on Instagram, and then you could pay them anywhere from $10 to $50 to put your link right here in their bio for a certain amount of hours or days. Okay, and that will drive traffic to your affiliate offers. and your website. So that's the paid way. Now, there's a couple of free ways you can do this here too. Of course, the number one free way would be to start your own Instagram profile in the relationship niche or whatever niche you want, and then start providing value by putting up good posts, picture posts like you see that this person has done here, providing value to the world. I think what you're seeing here is that the overall theme going on here is you want to provide value to the world, right? When you provide value, you get what? You get value in return, and most likely in a financial return. That's what we're hoping for, right? Trying to make money. Okay. So you can start your own profile on Instagram and put up posts that give value and drive followers onto your Instagram profile and build up your follower list. At the same time, you'll have your link down here in your bio, and it will drive traffic that way to your affiliate offers too. All right, the other way is if you don't want to start your own profile, but you want to drive traffic, free traffic, targeted traffic to your website or offers or affiliate offers, is you're going to come to an influencer site like this that has a lot of followers, and you would click on their most updated picture or post, which is usually the upper right one here. And for example, this post here, if we click on it, this post was posted 4 hours ago, so it's still relatively new. And then what you would do there is you would read the post and then add a comment down here in the comments giving value to the post and to the owner of the profile. And just like I told you in YouTube, you comment something about this post really is great, it does me good, I was feeling down today, for example what I'm reading here, and it really lifted up my spirits. And then tell them that you found something here that helps you also to keep your spirits up and keep you from feeling lonely and so on and so forth, and paste your link to your affiliate offer there along with your valuable post that gives value to the profile and the post. So that's 3 ways right there that you can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Either do paid through Shoutcart, and you get a lot of traffic that way, under pay an influencer to put your link on their bio for a certain amount of hours or days. Or you can create your own profile and build it up through your post. It'll take time, but you can do that. Also, and then comment on others' posts and leave your link, or even leave a link back to your profile, and driving traffic back to your profile where your link is going to be on there, and then consequently driving that traffic over to your affiliate offers or websites. Okay? Alright, so Instagram is the number 2 way. Then the other way, of course, would be Facebook, right? We know that Facebook gets an incredible amount of views a month. I think Facebook is probably the highest of both of the other 2 that I've shown you. In Facebook, what I've done here is I come over here to Facebook, and I logged into my account, and I typed in relationships up here in the search engine, and since that's our niche that we're using as an example, and it brings up all these groups here. This one here has 28,000 members. If you look down here, here's one that's got 16 million members. You can join in on that one. Here's one that's got 25,000 members. Click the join button, join the group. Here's 59,000 members here. Join this group. And you can join these groups and then spend time providing value on other people's comments or the people's posts in there, and provide value with your ideas and your answers to people's questions and so on and so forth that may have to do with relationships, right? Or any niche that you're involved in, whatever you're doing. And then consequently, as you provide value and people get to know you in those groups over a week or 2, then you begin posting your link back to your offer in your comments, telling the people that you found something that is valuable that's helped you out in your relationship or in your niche, with your link there to drive targeted traffic back to your website, all for free. all of this costs nothing. Okay? Alrighty guys, well that's what I had for you today. Wanted to show you the top 3 ways here how to drive free and targeted traffic back to your websites and offers. If you like this video, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so you get notified. And also check my #1 affiliate marketing business out down there if you're looking to start a business. And click where it says mentorwithkev.com and check that out. Okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next video. You guys have an awesome day today, and I'll talk at you later. Bye-bye now.